Welcome. This is a short movie on ProMaintainer, the Workman's CMMS, and in this movie we will show some of the major modules and some of the features of ProMaintainer. When the application is started, each user can have their own password, or groups of users can have a password, and this restricts the various permissions and security levels and what parts of the program they can use. This is ProMaintainer's opening screen, and it is from here that a user can click and jump to any of the other major modules. This is the first page of equipment details, and as you can see, there is extensive information kept about each asset in your facility, and there is also color coding which allows very quick data entry. This is the second page of equipment details, and you'll notice on the right hand side there are some pink fields. These are calculated automatically by the program and keep running costs of various repairs and PMs for your asset.
This is the equipment document tab, and in this you can connect CAD drawings, pictures, schematics to each asset, and this information is readily available.
This is the parts asset window, and it is here that you connect various parts in your stores to an asset, and you can actually click the View Parts Detail button and you jump to the Parts module where you can see who carries this part and what the cost is, as well as the on-hand balance. This is a good time to look at the Parts module, and from this you can see the various information kept on each part in your stores. This is a tab that connects each part in your stores to the asset that uses this particular part. Any number of assets can be connected to this part. This is the Parts Vendor tab, and it shows the various suppliers for each part in your stores, and you can also specify which of them is the prime vendor. This is the PM task module, and it is here that you enter a number of PM task templates that in turn are applied against various assets in your facility. This is the screen where you connect the various PM task templates to various assets within your plant, and you will notice that each asset can have its own frequency, and it can also be triggered in various ways. It can be done by date, which is number of weeks, or meters. So you can have a PM task click out after so many miles or kilometers. It is on this tab that you tie in parts to various PM tasks, and these parts are automatically printed out on the PM work order. This is where you would keep track of capital projects within your facility, and you will notice this is the opening screen where the various starting, stopping dates and actual dates are kept. Any work order can be charged to a project, and on this tab you can see the various labor that has been charged to this particular project. And you can also track the parts that are used on this particular project via the work order system, and you can track any project's costs that come out of the work order system to each project, and you can also see what parts were ordered through the purchase order module to this particular project. This tab shows the budget that you established for this project, and the program automatically calculates the actual costs that you've charged to this project. The vendor module shows details about each supplier that you purchase spare parts from. And it is here that you connect the various vendors to the parts that they supply. This is where you connect vendors to the various manufacturing brands, so it is very easy to look up and find which of your suppliers handles Allen Bradley. Various details are kept on each employee in your maintenance department, which enables the program to quickly calculate labor costs in any work. This is a quick work request that allows any user of the system to enter a new work request with minimal amounts of data. This is the opening screen of the works order module, and you will see that a couple of the fields are color coded. Light blue for quick pop-up lookup windows and pink for automatically calculated field. This is where you enter the work that has to be done, and in the case of a PM work order, this field is automatically filled in by the program. A user can quickly enter the work order labor for this particular task, and they can also enter the parts used for this particular task, whether it be an emergency work order or a PM work order. And the contractor's cost for this particular work order can be quickly entered. ProMaintainer has a very extensive purchase order system, and from here a user can quickly order parts that are in short supply. This is where you enter the various parts that are ordered on this purchase order, and you will notice once again there are various lookup windows, which makes data entry very easy and fast. If you have entered minimum stock quantities and reorder trigger points in the parts module, you can take advantage of the automatic reorder function, where one button click will create a list of parts that are short, and you merely tick the parts that you wish to order at this time, and you in fact can change the number of parts that are ordered. This is an area that allows a user to customize some of the various fields and the lookup codes, and this greatly speeds up data entry. The following are some representative reports of the many available by a user, and it is very easy to set a filter so that only a part of the particular report prints out. So this allows a user great flexibility in zeroing in on a particular asset, a particular time, or a particular department, which makes the report output much more flexible and useful for management to analyze and make constructive changes to their PM program within their facility. Thank you for viewing this short movie, and if you have any questions or require further details, please send us email or give us a call at area code 604-944-7285 on the west coast of Canada. Thank you.